The amount of information available to answer research questions is vast and often easy to find. The real challenge is evaluating what's found and identifying the most important sources. Your professors will often expect you to cite what are known as scholarly sources. When you write research papers, the strength of your arguments depends on the quality of evidence you cite. If you cite sources whose accuracy or rigor are unchecked, your work is unreliable by extension. When you cite what are known as scholarly sources, you and your audience can trust that the information has been vetted. Why? Because scholarly sources are typically produced in a way that helps ensure credibility through the process of peer review. In scholarly publishing, peer review refers to the process of an author submitting a draft of an article or book manuscript to an editorial board comprised of expert scholars in a particular discipline. These editors review the submission and often make suggestions for improvement. The author then revises and resubmits, and this process continues until the editors are satisfied and the work is published. Through this vetting process, peer review helps ensure the quality and reliability of published scholarship. It's important to remember that no vetting process is perfect, however, and critical evaluation of others' work, whether it's peer-reviewed or not, is a cornerstone of your work when you're doing research. Identifying peer-reviewed sources can be easy. Most library databases allow you to limit your search to peer-reviewed sources, though they may substitute the terms academic, refereed, or scholarly for peer-reviewed. The next time you search in a library database, look for a way to limit your search to peer-reviewed sources. Google Scholar also enables you to search for sources that are identified by an algorithm to be scholarly. The algorithm relies on the file format, PDF, the inclusion of certain elements such as title, authors, and bibliography, and where the article is hosted or published online. Google Scholar does not provide a way to limit your search results strictly to peer-reviewed articles. Close, careful evaluation of search results is always up to you. There are other ways to identify peer-reviewed articles, and librarians are available to help. If you have a question about whether a source is peer-reviewed, or any question about your research, ask a librarian.